Okay, now let's see how we can update and delete the record. So let's first exit and open again the Python shell. Okay, so now let's first check how many records are in there. So address objects dot all. Oh, okay, so first let's import the model from core dot models, import address. Okay, now let's run the all command. So here you can check there are 2 records in there. Let's update the second record. The id of the second is 2. So first get the address of id2 address dot objects dot get. To get a single record from the model, we use the get method. Based on the condition here, we will pass the id equal to 2. Okay, so here we got our address. Okay, we can check the id. Now let's update the state. Okay, so first check what is the current state. It's a Gurgaon. Okay, so now let's change to the Delhi. Address dot state. Now you can assign the new value here, New Delhi. Okay, and just press enter. So if we check the address dot state, showing the New Delhi, the updated one, but to reflect in our database as well, so we need to also save this value. So we just need to save, so it will permanently change the data. If we need to delete this record, then we just use the address dot delete command. Okay, so it will delete the record. Okay, now if we check run the address dot all, address dot objects dot all, now there is only one record here. Okay, so here we can use Django Shell to create and update the record. If I want to delete all the record at once, so we can do like something like the address dot objects dot all and then delete. Okay, so it will delete all the record. Now if we check the all, so in there is no record. Okay, the same way, if we want to update data in bulk, so we can also do that using the update command. So first let's create some record. Address dot objects dot create the state equal to Delhi, country equal to India, the pin code equal to 0011. Okay, so this is the first record, and the same let's create another one. And just change the pin code and the state and country would be same, Gurgaon. Okay, so if you want to change the state based on the country, so we can do the same. First we will filter address dot objects dot filter based on the country. Okay, so if the country is India, then just update okay, the state equal to let's change to and on New Delhi or just Delhi. Okay, so it will update 2 records, right, because there we created 2 records there. Now if we check the first record, okay, and the first one and the state, so it would be a Delhi, right? So this way we can update in bulk as well. And